Hi guys, it's Shah here, the Tech Borg, and today's video is going to be on Python versus C++, and today's video is going to be degrees to Fahrenheit converter program, and I'm going to make it in C++ and Python, and we're going to examine the differences between them, and why one may be preferred over the other. But I think sometime in the future, I think I will make sure I upload a video where C++ is actually better than Python, but that's when you get to like the sort of higher level stuff. But obviously I'm also learning as I'm making these videos, so yeah, and I hope you guys enjoy what I'm making, and yeah, let's get on with it. So we need to first create an integer. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, we need to first make an integer, give it a name, DEG, so the enter degrees, C out, okay, enter degrees. Okay, as you can see over here, I've already made a practice version and it is working successfully, so it's great. Yeah, and then you want to have C in, and then remember 2 arrows inwards, I in, DG, and then don't forget the semicolons. See, now I'm starting to actually remember them because, well, I use them so much now, so INT, INT Fahrenheit, let's call it Fah, just so simple. Fah is equal to degrees, I think, sorry, degrees, and the formula is right here, so there is this one over here, so this one at the bottom, so times 9 over 5, so degree times 9 over 5, make sure you put like these brackets in to make sure you're consistent, because I'm pretty sure it doesn't follow BODMAS or BIDMAS or whatever you learn in GCSE, and then plus 32, plus 32, so that's the formula, and then now we just output that, C out, Fah. Okay, don't forget semicolon, semicolon, run. Okay, enter degrees, let's say it was 1 degree, we know 1 degree is I think 32 Fahrenheit, but because it's rounding it, you get 33 Fahrenheit, it's 32.6 or something like that, I think it's, yeah, something around that. So as you can see, it transfers it and it was working fine. Now let's make the same thing in Python now. So degrees is equal to, and this you can do in 2 lines funnily, degrees is equal to int input enter degrees. See, over here in Python, this is what I like about it. So what I've done in 1 line over here, it takes me 3 lines to do over here. So integer of the degrees, we're giving a variable integer, but whereas we can just give it straight over here, that is a degree integer, it's an integer, it's an input, and then we can give the statement that we want to give before the input occurs. And then the output is pretty simple, we just print, and then you have degrees times, was it 9 over 5? 9 over 5 times 9 over 5 plus 32. But again, remember I said be consistent, so another set of brackets over here. And that's it. I think this should work, if I'm right. 51, right. 33.8, boom. Boom, yes, boom. Solid stuff. So yeah, I mean, I literally made this Python code in like literally 30 seconds, whereas this C++ one clearly took me longer. And yeah, I mean, this is Python efficiency versus C++ efficiency. I mean, C++ was originally made, I think, before Python, so there's obviously noticeable differences between them. And yeah, I mean, Python is just brilliantly designed. I mean, it's just really good. And as you can see over here, we used a lot of set of brackets as well, like we used in C++. So the use of brackets is very similar in both of them, over here and here. So it's nice, yeah. Again, if you want to do this answer of yours in integer, I'm pretty sure you have to add an extra line. So if we do to make sure the output is an integer, I don't think this will work, but this is just, I'm just trying something. I think it should, oh, it works, brilliant. So if you put an int around the entire output of this value, you will actually get a whole number if you put an int around it. I mean, and that's pretty cool, right? Because I can do that in one line now. So over here I had to declare the variable, and over here I don't have to actually declare any variable. It just does it for me. And if I want the user to input Fahrenheit, then all I have to do is just change this to Fahrenheit, or just make another one like Fah is equal to whatever this is again, and then change the formula, and it's going to do that exactly. And so it's pretty nice. It's very nice. Whereas in this one you just have to copy and paste all this, and then obviously replace the INTDEG with FAH, which is a Fahrenheit version. If you want to go from Fahrenheit to degrees, you just have to basically just exchange all the DEGs with the FAHs, and then change around the formula. So you use this formula over here: degrees Celsius equal to Fahrenheit minus 32 times 5/9. And that's really it, guys, for me in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys understood the differences between Python and C++ in this one. The differences I go over in all my videos are normally very similar, and so I'm going to try and make sure like I step it up to the next level, so it's more interesting. And personally, like everyone that watches my videos does know that I love Python, and I personally think it's very nice. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.